Sometimes it's hard to convince people who are uncertain.
No, it's not!
Just forget it, okay?
I don't need your help.
So you have to harness more powerful emotions within them.
What if I put this fork through my hand, huh? Would that be embarrassing?
You should take a policy out against me drop-kicking you in the teeth in a minute.
Your roguish designs on my betrothed have left my honor wounded, sir.
Bow before me, my subject!
You can control time. Idiot using it to sell bathroom cleaner.
Matching the words of others, or paraphrasing, can demonstrate greater understanding and strengthen relationships.
Shut the back door. That's my favorite part. Perhaps if I don't kill you here, we could go for a pint.
We need to focus on his positive attributes.
Oh, hey, guys!
So now I have to brown-nose a zombie. It's what partners do for each other.
The context of a negotiation has an effect on you.
Intimidation, manipulation. People will try anything.
100% natural.
I recommend you do that.
Hear you pretty fast.
You hear right.
Sweet Lord, that was fast.
No, Dave, he's from the Blood People. Charity.
Yeah, Dave. The Blood People. Charity.
If you admit a weakness first, then people will believe the next thing you say even more.
I am not a war criminal.
That's bonkers.
I know!
Blimey, if you put it like that.